day. Whoa, 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 whoa! What is that? Red light. Oh, oh, oh. Where did it go? Oh, oh. Revive me! Revive me! Pause. Okay, I dressed up as a laughing guy, so hopefully he doesn't get me. Oh, see, he's right there. I bet he won't get me. Ah! Oh, that worked. Ooh, a badge. Let's open it. Dang it. Oh my gosh, that sucks. I'm putting it away. Beep. How much times am I gonna die? Mommy? Okay, found out that didn't work, so now I'm in class and my teacher's gonna come in right now. Oh, it's a beautiful day for a pop quiz, kids. Dang it. Yeah, that's what I said. But guess what, kid? I gotta go get something. I'm actually an Armstrong. Ah! Fist, fist. Fight. Oh. Oh, he dropped a box too. That's why he's an Armstrong. Okay. Basketball? That's the rarest item in the game. We'll save that for later. Rarest item in the game. Okay. I beat that Armstrong up with my fist. That was actually my math teacher. I'm so cool. Aww. Oh, shit. Punch. Oh, I made it sad. Are you okay? Oh, oh. Oh, help me. Oh. Oh, I face planted, but I'm okay. Oh, another box. I'm cooking. I'm on fire today. Ooh, boom box. So good. That's like, that's it, and it's Galaxy. Oh my god. Put that in my backpack. Oh my god, I thought you were dead. Oh. I killed him again. Okay. Let's just check on my math quiz what I got. Oh. I thought I had this one. Okay, I dressed up as my math teacher and he's pretty scary. So I know monsters aren't gonna get me this time. Oh shoot, fast me bomb! Oh my gosh, I'm blind. I'm blind. Oh, I feel something. I feel something. Oh, a box. Beep. That's what happens when you mess with flashbang bombs, I guess. So I decided to stay as a ghost because then monsters can't get me. And I can find out where their secret stash is. So let's go find out. Oh shoot, I'm in a spider's web. Oh wait, I'm a ghost. He can't find me. Oh gosh darn it, why do they keep getting me when I'm a ghost? I mean, you can't even see me. Okay, spider's away. Oh shoot, I found out I have a spawning time. So, I guess I'll respawn. Okay, I'll respawn. No, I'm going to find the secret monster. Shut up! Hopefully they don't get me next time. And that's the end of the video. Man, why do monsters all give me to? I wish people would get me. I don't want to show myself because ghosts are pretty ugly. But see you in the next one.